Hey guys, it's Tracy. I have a super fun DIY project to bring to you today. These burlap carrots were super easy and fun to put together, so let me show you how I did it. Now you can get the cone and the disc, the jute and the Sisal twine, all from the Dollar Tree. So inexpensive and super cute. The mesh, greenery, burlap, and gingham you can get at the craft store. Using my hot glue gun, I'm just going to put some hot glue there on the bottom of the cone, and then I'm going to glue that disc to the cone because I like the size of what the two glued together gives me for my carrot. To take a bit of squareness off of that round disc, I just took my little file here, or you can use some sandpaper, and I just sanded off just a little bit of that rounded disc so that it wouldn't be so harsh. Skip this step if you want to, but I didn't want to take any chances of the white cone or the green showing through. It just depends on how thick you put your burlap, but I went ahead and painted my cone orange so that you would not see any of the white through the burlap. I'm starting with a 5-inch piece of orange burlap, and then I am going to just glue it around what is going to be the top of my carrot. I'm going to hot glue, I don't know, maybe about an inch on the way down. I found that it was a little bit easier if I did this first because then my burlap, as I wrapped it around my carrot, it would cover it up. I like to cut my strips about 1 inch in just the width of it, and then I wrap it around the entire carrot and kind of going over on itself. I'm sorry, my camera was not filming at the time, so I apologize that it didn't show you exactly how I was putting the burlap on, but I just hot glued it and just wrapped it around on itself. So now for the top of the carrot, I'm going to put on some greenery. I just cut off a piece of the greenery, and I got that greenery at Hobby Lobby. Now, since the carrot is styrofoam, it is super simple to put greenery or attach it. I just stuck the greenery on the top of the carrot, and then I hot glued it in place, and then I gathered the orange burlap, just gathered that around, and I'm taking some jute and I will tie that around the top of the carrot, and it will secure it there, and then I will tie on my bow. I also twisted some jute around the carrot. I thought it just added a bit of rustic little countryness to it. You can totally skip this step, but just wanted to share everything that I did with this little carrot. For the adorable little bow, I'm using 2 pieces of this deco mesh. It has a shimmer going through it, and I cut them about 5 or 6 inches. I wasn't really exact. I really didn't care. I just kind of pulled it out and cut it off you know, the size I wanted it. And so then the gingham fabric, I'm going to cut just a tiny bit, and then I'm going to rip it, because this fabric rips very well and it gives it a ragged edge, and I love doing that for, you know, just using this type of fabric. So just tying this around the actual little carrot just really gives it just that extra, it just kind of takes it over the top.